Okay, so we're here with Paul. He's just completed his 6-week challenge with us. Busy dad of 2, I believe, is it?
Yeah.
He's just going to give you a bit of an insight into what he's done on the 6-week challenge, and I'll let him talk about it a little bit. Okay, Paul?
Okay, so I started out just over 6 weeks ago. I've always been a fit and healthy person, but I was just coming back from an injury, a ruptured Achilles, when I was playing badminton. My fitness had gone a bit downhill. I'd put on a bit of weight and I was feeling a bit rubbish about myself. I'd seen this advertised on Facebook and I thought, yeah, I'm up for a challenge. So 6 weeks, eating right, exercising a lot, it's something I'm up for. And so it was a chance to really kickstart a long-term plan that I've got for being healthy, and particularly for being a certain weight by the time I'm 40, which is in a year and a half.
Okay. And in terms of the programme itself, is there any particular part you've enjoyed most, or anything that you want to comment about the programme on it all?
So the thing that I enjoyed most about the programme really was that it was made very, very easy. We had a clear meal plan from the start, which sometimes was a bit of a shock to the system, but it was a clean, healthy meal plan. And it was almost difficult to eat enough at times as well. I had lots to eat, and I was rarely, if ever, sort of ravenous or anything. I was full most of the time. And that was me, it was largely me sort of re-educating myself in the right foods to eat at the right times and just upping the protein levels, which included lots of eating beans and lots of meat, turkey mince for example, which was great. The accountability through the group was really good as well. The sort of sticking to that and sharing with others, and the support you got from others as well, was also a really, really positive thing to come across. And the weekly measurements where I could see the progress happening quite quickly, and the workouts downstairs with the personal trainers was brilliant.
Okay, cool. And then where are you at now? How are you feeling energy wise and that side of things now?
So energy wise, I feel really great. I've got lots more energy at the start of the day, and I sort of wake up sort of raring to go. I get home in the evening from work and I've still got the energy to carry on and finish the day. And after these 6 weeks, I've also started thinking about looking into taking it further, going for a triathlon, and seeing if I can really reach my goals with my weight and so on in the future.
Brilliant, Paul. Well done.
Thank you.